So LG is now making some changes in its smartphone division, starting with the new branding strategy where the company is now dropping its traditional alphanumeric naming style. This means from now on we may not see any G or V series phones from LG. The first smartphone that is coming with this new branding strategy is named LG Velvet, and yes, it is just Velvet and not LG Velvet ThinQ 5G. LG announced the phone almost a week back, but now the company has finally given us a look at the design of the phone from all the angles, as the official video has been posted by the company on its YouTube channel. This video focuses on only one thing, and that is to show the design of the phone because it is the main USP of it since it is not a flagship. Yes, LG Velvet is a mid-range phone with a premium design that includes a symmetrical form factor which is not only pleasing to the eye but also pleasing to touch. LG says that these days smartphones have become so similar that it is very difficult to differentiate them based on the specifications only. And that is the reason LG is now focusing on smartphones with distinctive designs. Anyways, talking about the LG Velvet, it has a 3D arc design, which means the glass on the front as well as the rear is symmetrically curved on the sides. LG says that it will bring in a much more natural feeling in the hand than previous LG phones. Then there is a raindrop camera on the rear, and it is named so because the triple cameras on the rear are placed in decreasing order by size. The new camera module is meant to evoke images of falling raindrops, with the main camera sitting slightly above the surface whereas the two lenses lying completely flush with the back glass. The display on the front has a tiny U-shaped notch that has the single front-facing camera. Also, the lack of fingerprint scanner on the rear or on the side means that there is an OLED display. Finally, the phone has a headphone jack and it is placed on the bottom alongside the USB Type-C port. The LG Velvet will come in at least 4 colors: green, black, white and a gradient color option. While the specifications are not yet known, this official video reveals that LG Velvet is powered by the Snapdragon 765 SoC, which also means that there is support for 5G networks. The rumored specifications include a 4000 mAh battery and 48 megapixel primary rear camera, but these specs are still unconfirmed. So what do you think of the design of LG Velvet? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.